To win, you have to suffer. This is something you need to understand, cousins. Hey cousins, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm delighted. Thank you for all the returning subscribers. You're so precious to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So as I'm going to put this sugar where it belongs, put everything aside, make some breakfast, let's enjoy this video, cousins. And remember, cousins, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It is so precious. So cousins, sometimes when we hear about the word suffer, we are so scared. Now I know that the word suffer can carry a heavy weight in your life. It conquers images of pain, images of struggles, images of hardship. So when you hear about the word suffer, definitely what comes into your mind, it is that. But let us not shy away from the word. Instead, let us understand this, cousins. Let's embrace suffering in our lives. For it is through the sufferings that we go through each and every day in life that makes us stronger. It is in between these trials of life that we can survive. It is in between these attributions of life that we can survive, cousins. So life is filled with so much, and struggles is part of it. Cousins, think about those champions in any field. Maybe it is athletics, whatever field it may be. They have endured so many setbacks. Those athletes have gone through so much, but what sets them apart from you? It is the unwavering commitment to their own goals. They understand that the path to success is not a straight line. It is a winding road filled with obstacles, dangers. So, to pass through them, you have to be ready to encounter so much, and struggles is one of them. Cousins, they know that every drop of sweat they let out, every moment of discomfort that comes their way, is a step closer to their goals. They understand that to stand on the podium, to feel the thrill of victory, they must first endure the struggles. It is in these moments of suffering that they discover that their true potential is in that. So cousins, since you are a hustler out there, I want to remind you that when you keep hustling each and every day, just know your struggles will repel. Your struggles will bring results. The pain you're going through right now, it is not permanent. It is just for a little while. It is just for a short period of time. All the struggles you're going through right now, they will help you shape your future. Just hold on for a moment, because this situation is not permanent. You're not in this life forever. Every hustler out there, I want to remind you that this is not a permanent life. It is a short period of life. So, cousins, we have to understand that it is tough, yes, and each failure is a lesson. Each setback is a stepping stone. These people we admire out there, they understand that success is not merely a destination, it is a journey marked with so many resiliences, so many determination. So you need so much so that you can win your goals, so that you can achieve what you truly deserve. Discover your potential, cousin. It is not easy. The struggles have to come your way. Remember those artists, the writers, the musician, or maybe those creators out there. They pour their hearts and souls into the work. Often they do. And sometimes they face so many criticism. Maybe rejection. Maybe when their work, people think that it is not good, it is not worth it. But yet, in through all those struggles they go through after making so many days without sleeping, making this work, after all the struggles of creation, they find a voice in them. They find their unique expression. They understand that the beauty of their art is often born from the depth of their struggles. It is in these struggles that they find the inspiration. It is in through these inspiration that they find the touch of their arts and that touch that can touch other people out there. So, cousin, remember you are unique. But let us not forget that suffering does not have to be a solidarity experiment sometimes. We are not alone in these struggles. We have each other, cousins. When you're going through something too hard for you to handle, we can help you out. Don't suffer alone. Yes, don't suffer alone, cousins, because it's about the lessons learned through these journeys, so that we have to embrace all the challenges in this life. They shape you into the person you're meant to be. Let your struggles fuel you up. Let your struggles fuel your determination. Let your struggles rise above the suffering. Let's support each other, cousins. Let us celebrate the victories that await us on the other side of the journey. Cousins, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Cousin Family. Cousins, life, as we may all know, is not a smooth path. It is so hard in that sometimes we feel like we wanna give up. But I want you to remember, cousins, in those times of doubts, that is what makes your journey unique. That is what makes your journey unique. Remember, it is essential to recognize that suffering does not have to be an experience in your life. We have all encountered struggles in life. We have all encountered challenges in life. But remember, when hard times knocks you, embrace them. Just know that you're navigating your journey. Just know God made you for a purpose to pass through that. Cousins, let's take a moment and reflect on the nature of suffering. It is an experiment that we all share. Yet sometimes we are scared of it because it brings fear inside us. We live in the world that glorifies success and achievement, and in that when you have not received them, you feel like maybe you don't belong to this world. But we sodomly talk about trials and attribution that accompany them. We forget about it. Sometimes we see the polished results, the accolades, the trophies, but we rarely see the sweats inside the people, the tears inside the people that they went through so that they can collect those trophies, the relentless sleeps, those hard moments they put through so that they could collect those trophies. Cousins, consider all the people we admire out there. J.K. Rowling. Have you ever heard of that? Maybe let's say our beloved movie that we know, Harry Potter. The person who wrote it, she became one of the most successful authors in history. Rowling faced a series of devastating setbacks in that journey of making that series. She was a single mother living in a place whereby nobody could help her out, struggling to make ends meet, while battling depression. She was battling with rejection. But publishers did not know that she could become more successful. Every person just thought that she was nothing. Rowling's suffering became the stepping stone in her journey. She transformed her pain into a story that would inspire millions. Her journey teaches us that suffering can be a source of strength, a catalyst of creativity, and a bridge of dreams. Let's turn our attention to the world of science. Maybe let's turn it into the world of innovation. Think of all the countless innovators or pioneers who faced radical criticism. Have you ever heard of Albert Einstein? For instance, was once dismissed as a dreamer. A child who struggled in school, yet it was through his struggles and relentless curiosity that he unlocked the secrets of universe. His journey was not without suffering. It was filled with moments of doubt, frustration, but he embraced those struggles, using them as a stepping stone to greatness. Austin's story reminds us that all our struggles can lead to breakthroughs, not just our lives, but for the humanity as whole. So cousins, as you embark on your journey, remember, even other people have gone through it. So cousins, I had to make this breakfast with eggs because my boss had brought eggs, so I had to put it where it belongs. So I made this breakfast. We have zaitun, birinjan, so I had to make this so that the meal becomes very good at the breakfast time. So cousins, remember, you're not going through struggles alone. So many people out there are going through it, and all those people you admire out there also pass through it, but it's all about how you handle it. Just keep holding on. You can make it happen. Thanks for being onto my channel, cousins. Remember, please, cousins, to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. We are cousins. We are cousins here. Welcome to cousin family. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep pushing even when you have a reason. To win, you have to suffer, cousins.